It's New Year's Eve and I'm so ugly right now, this week. I'm just not gonna enter 2026 looking like this. I've got roots, I've got spots, I've got no nails, I have no vibe, I have no life. So we're doing my roots. I took an everything shower and I just got out and my laundry only had 10 minutes left of drying, so my outfit is nice and toasty. There's nothing better. I have not perfected the art of blow drying my bangs. Also, I feel like I need to cut them again. I think next on the list is gonna be nails, but I feel like every time I do them right after I get out of the shower, they pop off. Maybe because of the moisture, question mark? I did my nails. Polka dot. And now I'm just feeling like the bangs need to be shorter and the eyebrows need to be thinner for my rebrand. I think I cut my bangs too wonky. I am feeling so off. It's the new year. It's supposed to be a new me, and I'm feeling the same as before. Like, there's been really good things and there's been really bad things, so it's just like a roller coaster, and I'm just feeling it. I feel like I just want to be done. I feel off, and I can't explain it. I have so much that I want to do, and I feel stuck for some reason. I don't know why. And you know what else is weird? Every night I'm so excited for the next day. I'm like so excited for my coffee in the morning. I'm so excited for what I could work on the next day and like having a fresh day to just get everything done that I want to do. And then the day comes. Phoebe, come on, you have your stairs right here. My mom was just downstairs and I'm like, I think I don't want to work anymore. And not in like a I want to retire kind of way, just in like a I want to be with Sunny all the time. I don't want her to be upstairs with my mom and me to be downstairs thinking about working as her childhood goes by. And then she asked why I cut my bangs so short. So I didn't leave that conversation feeling any better. And then I called Jace and I told him I'm going to start looking for more jobs for him. And we both had a good laugh about that. What do you do when you feel like that? Is it hormones? Because I'm either pregnant or I'm in an extreme PMDD luteal phase. Anyways, that's how I'm feeling right now. Maybe I'm depressed. I am losing it. I need lip balm. This week has been rough. I did have a chemical pregnancy. I was getting faint lines on pregnancy tests for a week straight. They never got darker, so I knew something was up, but it's still hard to process and navigate that because seeing a faint line, you get so excited. Although because I've had a miscarriage before, I feel like the excitement of a positive pregnancy test is just forever ruined for me because seeing that line, while first feels really exciting and scary, it immediately turns to like fear and impending doom of the loss that could happen. I found out that I was having a chemical pregnancy on New Year's Day, so new year, new me. If I don't laugh, I'll cry, but I've already cried enough for the week, so I feel okay now. Is this TMI? I don't know. I just feel like nobody talks about this, or very few people talk about it when it's happening. And for me, it's hard to like document my life or blog and not talk about it. So far my new year has been a chemical pregnancy, an insanely debilitating, extra long period, and I went to the dentist and they told me I need 4 root canals. Really, really solid start to 2026. It's now the middle of January already somehow. It sucks that that was like my entering to 2026 when I'm like, this year is gonna be better. 2025 sucked. 2026 has to be better, and I still feel that way. The last clips you saw of me, I was feeling like a deep, dark depression, like not okay. And then a week or so later, I feel more like myself and still excited for the year. So moving on, Jace's family is coming. His parents are gonna be in town for a couple weeks, so prepping the house for them to get here, doing like the deep cleaning and everything that you do before family comes to town. I finally figured out how to get hard water stains off our showers, so that's good. I think I figured it out at least. The desert water is just crazy. Sunny also has her dentist appointment today, so I'm getting ready to take her to that, but I'm not gonna get ready. I just feel like today is more of a lazy day. Cleaning the house. I need to steam clean our sofa because Ozzy had a little fun on the corner of it. So I'm gonna clean the couch. Jace is coming home to help clean the floors while I take Sunny to the dentist. And after that, I think I'm just gonna like hang out and relax for once. I was working this morning on some stuff and I'm just tired. Oh my gosh, I can't breathe. I'm going to my friend's event. You remember the lippy I showed you where it was like green glitter? Let me show you again. She just launched them today or yesterday. It's called Teeny, like martini. That green glitter, probably can't tell. I've also got glitter all over me. I don't know who I think I am tonight. The theme was like cocktail attire and like I don't have anything like that, so this is her top she loaned me, and then the pants are too much. Like I can't breathe, so I just put these pants on. I've had them for years and they've never zipped, so I guess that's some progress because they actually zip up. Look how glittery I am. I bet the floor in my bathroom is just entirely glitter. I'm getting out of the house. Oh, I did my nails a different color. Needed to change the other ones. These are like, I don't know, chartreuse chrome. I'm so tired. It's 6 o'clock. I'm just getting over like everything that's been going on, and I think getting out of the house will be good for me. But also at the same time, I don't want to go out of my house. A moment for the makeup. Okay, blue eyes. I put glitter in my hair too, because why not? I had to unbutton these the second I walked in the door. Time for pajamas. I can't even believe my hair stayed flipped over like this. There's gonna be glitter all over the house for weeks, years even. Right, shoes. Oh my gosh. That felt amazing to take off. I'm going with these huge little boxer shorts. Bra off immediately. I think I found my signature scent tonight. I was just thinking recently, like, nobody ever says that I smell good. And I started to feel insecure because then I was like, wait, do I smell bad? And so I really started thinking about it. Like, I never get complimented on a fragrance. I used to when I wore Glossier You, or the 7 Virtues, the vanilla one, Vanilla Woods. I used to get complimented on those, but it's been years since I've been complimented on a scent. Also, I don't leave my house, so this is really irrelevant information, but tonight I put on perfume, a different one, and I got a compliment on it. I was like, oh my gosh, I manifested this because I was being delusional about it earlier. Literally no one cares, but the fragrance is called Floating Forest. I forget the brand name. T-shirt. There's no better pajamas to wear than a big t-shirt and underwear or like a pair of boxer shorts. You just won't catch me like wearing business casual to bed, like the button-ups and stuff. No, I try to be that girl, I can't do it. Why are we wearing business casual to bed? Okay, I'm gonna put my hair up, wash my makeup off, and then put my ass to bed where I belong right now.